promote that. But for a defective impeachment complaint to have been filed and to be endorsed by a congressman or congresswoman in either of the that defective complaint, I think these two would still have to go through the Justice Committee, and I think that's where they would thresh out the defective complaint. But whether that would trigger the 1-year ban under the Constitution, I'm not too familiar. But I think that's the safeguard in the rules, is that it would be.
Sirs, ma'am. Kuha lang po kami ng reaction dun po sa hinihiling na investigation sa NBI ni Kong Barbers dun sa mga vloggers na yung organized vloggers na nagkakalat daw ng maling impormasyon. Kong J. Kong J.
Just to start lang po siguro, I think we all here in the House, I can't speak for them, but I think we would be in support po of the call ni witness po kung anong nangyayari with these vloggers, and I think he also made mention of yung mga troll farms, and it seems to be a concerted effort po talaga. While freedom of speech is protected right under our Constitution, it has to be tempered rin po with responsible practice and use, and in fact, it is penalized under libel or slander. Well, libel mostly in relation to printed and published media. There is that safeguard. So I think what Chairman Barbers is asking for isn't anything new. It's that he is asking for assistance given the Congress and social media. You have questions of jurisdiction. You have questions of cyberspace. The issue of anonymity. Yun po yung nakakatakot po dito. We have congressmen and congresswomen who, whether or not it is related to their function, have been receiving threats. They have been receiving anonymous messages, either death threats or threats to their families, and it should be something that no one should be subjected to. Free speech is one thing, but to rely on character assassination is a totally different issue. And I think Chairman Barbas was just speaking up for and we are hoping that the DOJ would help us. Kasi po, if it is proven talaga that these sophisticated schemes are being employed to really target congressmen, congresswomen, not for their personal gain, but for that political purpose, then it must be something that should be acted on po talaga.
Opinions and position eh. Kasi that's what democracy is all about. We have to enjoy, we have to celebrate the diverse opinions, no? Yung diversity, because that's actually is fuel to keep democracy running. But unfortunately, in this kind of online landscape, we've seen troll farms, we've seen vloggers, hindi ko naman nilalahat, no? Who are up for grabs, no? Sometimes they're being used by political propaganda to malign, discredit a certain perceived. It counters the very foundation of democracy, because how can you have a populace with informed decision kung ang binibigay mo sa kanila ay puro mali, fake, and disinformation? I guess this is a call for every one of us that in order for us to maintain a healthy communication space for everyone, dapat ho natin din magkaroon ng safeguards na hindi mahaluan ito ng propaganda, peking propaganda. Agree on facts. Unfortunately, naging subjective ang facts ngayon. Dahil dun yung karamihan po sa mga trolls, mga troll farms, dinidistort nila yung facts. So I guess that yun ang intention ni Congressman Chairman Barbers, that we can disagree, but at least let's agree on facts. Yung magandang spasyo sa pakikipagtalakayan sa publiko.
Okay. Next question from Billy Vegas, Avanti Politico.
Mabulo ko lang po, meron pong sinabi si VP Sara. Sabi po niya, mas sure pa daw na dadalo siya doon sa hearing ng good government kaysa doon sa patawag ng NBI. Reaction.
We look forward to it.
I think if you remember, meron po tayo sanang good government BI subpoena set on the same date. Because at the time that the cancellation, we found out po that the VP was using the Good Government Committee as a reason po not to attend. And this would be the first, and bago pa lang yung issue of NBI, it might concern national security. Nag-give way po yung committee. Ngunit hindi po nag-attend yung So again, we see it now. There is the commitment at least to attend good government. She is giving the condition na baka hindi po sa NBI. I don't understand. Naintindihan siguro kung bakit it would be. I hope that if gawin po niya. Thank you.
Okay, last
Hingi lang po sana ng reaction political analyst that the president will be seeing the impeachment for BP Sara will not be submitted po. If
To answer po, no. Of course, everyone's entitled political analyst if they believe impeachment is the only route to show strength. Siguro po, ako personal opinion for this representation, not the only avenue to exert kung ano man yung tama. As we discussed prior, wala naman pong immunity. Also, possibilities for criminal accountability, criminal life through, yun nga po, and we've seen it. The PNP has filed cases, the I started investigation. So it's not the only way to for those acts. But regarding impeachment, different matter also. And I don't know why it should reflect on the president because the impeachment complaint should come or that endorsed by the member of Congress. Na yun.
Actually, dadagdag. Kailangan po natin maintindihan na magkaiba po yung trabaho legislative. If it's about the impeachment, it's entirely up to decision po ng president. It's just his personal take on that. That should not be taken as something that as a gauge on how strong he is. So strong points naman eh. Kasi ang sinabi naman po niya doon, let's focus building, let's focus on the problems. That's how he views in yung access niya po being the top executive. No, he's the number one president. He's running the affairs of the government. When you talk about membership, individual members will look at the merits. No, ang tanong ni ang ating kaibigan. I think choosing between the two, it's not really a matter of. It's actually I think it's a. And it's how respect the rule of law, and the cases filed before the NBI really which does you favor and if accountability. It is demanded of her to put urgency on these two venues for her to really explain on the allegation that were thrown at her and so
are you in favor of next Congress, sir? Impeachment. Impeachment. Kaya sir lahat.
wala pa naman po hinahain na impeachment complaint, so na sumagot sa ganung mga katanungan. Kung meron na depende mo po sa substance, yung merits nung
Impeachment to a political exercise. It's whether you are for or against the person. Don't forget the fact that impeachment is based on grounds. This is not on facts that attend the circumstance, the facts and circumstances surrounding violation. So we're talking about graft and corruption, mentioned by Congressman Adyong. Kung wala pong inihain, we base po, no, how to.
Thank you. To guests, kindly